Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arsalan and I'm your mathematics teacher. So today our new topic is prime factor. This I was already give you as a homework. So but we will discuss this just after that we will move on. So let's start our topic. Okay. Now here we have the prime numbers. He said write the following number as a product of the prime numbers. Means he just write one number and he say using the factor tree, okay, to solve this. Like 36, we have 36 here. So what we will do here, we divide this into two parts. Like 3 how many times equal to 12 times. So 3 is the prime factor, so we never solve this anymore. But we know that 12 is factorized more. Like we divide 12 into two parts, so it's 3 and 4. 3 is again a prime factor, so we never solve this. But 4 is still multiple of 2 and 2. So we also divide this. Okay, so we write the prime numbers, prime factor. So then if you write all these numbers that you can see here, so that when you multiply these numbers, so you will get your answer that you was watching before. As it is same you are doing the other example, so it's not hard, it's serious, it's so easy. So you can easily solve this all. Well, let me show you few more examples. Yeah, there is another method that is called division method. This method is called factor tree. This one is called division method. So you just draw a one line and put here 36. Always start from the smallest number 2. Okay, because one it's so small, so always start from 2 and onward. You just check all the numbers. Like I just start from 2 to 18 times 36. Okay, so 2 9 times equal to 18. So 3 times equal to 9. So 3 1 times equal to 3. So like that you just solve this until you never get 1. Okay, so all these numbers you multiply, so you will get the same answer that you have. Same like that you are solving the all these things. Okay, so I will just try to solve division method. Let's check this one. Let's suppose I'm right 360. Okay, so if I divide this with 5, let's suppose always start from the smallest number. Okay, if I take a 2, okay, then let's check. So I write here again 2, so it's equal to 180. Let's suppose it's not a 36. Let's suppose 360. Suppose it's a 36, then again 2, and then right here 90, and again 36, sorry 2, and right here 45. Now 45 is not divisible by 2, so it's we're using 5. 5 how many times? That is equal to 9. So which table we are using? Sorry, there is a mistake here. Here write 5. Okay, so here write 3. Okay, let me check. Here also write 3. Here write 3, and here write 1. So like that we are solving all this. I will draw the line, that I know you are just waiting why I never draw the line. So like that we are solving this division method. Okay, so once you multiply all these number, like let me show you. Here I write 2 how many times? 3 times. Then after that 2 times, and then 5. So when you multiply you also get the same answer, that is 360. As it is that you just solve the remaining part of the same question. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, now next topic is using prime factor to find the HCF and LCM. So with the help of HCF, okay, so with the help of prime factors, you are using HCF and LCM. So how we will find this? It's so easy. Let's suppose you have two numbers, as you can see on the screen. Example number 6. So what he do, he just write 168. So same like that, he just solve all these parts, okay, here and here. So after that, he just for HCF, he just try to find the numbers that has that are common. Let's suppose here this one is common, okay, first one, then second one is common, okay, then 3 is common. So how I draw this 3 and sorry, so 3, only one 3 is common, so I draw a 1 3. So these 2 and these 3 are not common, 7 and 5 are not common. So only these numbers you write here, but write in one time. These 2 are common, so write here 2. These 2 are common, write here 2, and these 3 are common, so write here 2. So its HCF is equal to 12. So here is your answer, that is your LCF. Okay, so I hope all of you understand. Now same like that, same as it is. So you are solving LCM for two questions. So we have same like that, you are solving, these are the prime factors. So what you do, the common number is something else. Okay, let's suppose I will, let me show you here. Okay, okay, not this one. Let's suppose I just draw this one, first two. Okay, then this two is also common, this two is also common, this two is common. Okay, this three is common, but there is one 3 and these 5 is also available. So you also write this 3 and this 5. Okay, so the common thing you must write one time, like this two, this one is for this one is for this one is for this 3 is for this common, and this 3 is alone, so we also write this, and 5 we also write. So when we multiply, you will get your LCM. Okay, so our LCM is equal to 360. As it is same, you are solving all the other parts as I show you here. You can see on my screen. So here we have all these things. Okay, so let's find one example, okay, of HCF and LCM. Determine both HCF and LCM of both these numbers. So let's take any one of these. Let's suppose we just take C part. So the first thing that you solve is find the prime factor, okay, of 25. So how we will find 25? Like here we write 5, and after some space you write 25. Then 5 how many times equal to 5? That is 5 times. Okay. So after that, here you write 1. Okay. So the factor of this one is, you can see on the screen. So the next number is, no, I was not strong. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm just selecting the wrong one. So as I told you before, I was selecting this one, C part. Okay. Now let's start solve C part. Here I have 95. So which table have 95? 5. So I just write here 5 and 95. Then again 5 and how many times equal to 19 times? So we write here 19 and here I write here 19. Okay, so here I write here 1. Okay, so with the help of this we will get these factors. Okay, so we also draw a lines like this and like this. First line, second line. Okay, like that we are solving. Now second one is 120. So let's take 120. So which table have 120? Start with 2. Let's suppose equal to 120. 2, that is 60. Then 2, then 30. Then 2, then not 2, 3. 15. Then 5. Here I 5. And here I 5. So like that you are solving the remaining part. Like we will draw one line like it, like this, and there are other some lines like 1 2 3. Okay, 4 5. Okay, so like that you are solving these also. Okay, so next is you just write these two numbers here. Let's suppose I write here all these numbers Here for 95, what I write here? 5 and 19. And for 120, I write what? So like that, I write these two numbers. Okay, now for HCF, we just take common numbers. So which thing is common? Here only 5 is common. So let me show you. So this 5 and this 5 is common. So HCF is equal to 5. Okay. Now let's solve LCM. LCM is equal to what? LCM. In LCM case, we take all. No, 5 and 5 is common only. Okay. So we also take all these number like here I write just a moment. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 19. So when we multiply, so we will get our answer like that is equal to 2 multiplied to 4, 4 multiplied to 8, 8 multiplied by 3, 24, 24 multiplied by 5, 120, and 120 multiplied by, let me check, 1 minute. 2280. So with the help of this, we are solving 2280. So here is our answer. So let's see. You just see the answer from from the end of your book. So like that, you can easily solve this. I hope all of you understand the same question applying your skill. You just apply your skill here, so you easily solve these questions. It's not hard. There are only two questions. If you didn't understand any questions, so feel free to ask me. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye. Hmm.